Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best cue extension is probably one of the most underrated accessories in the world of billiards. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, the ability to extend your cue can dramatically improve your game. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of cue extensions, exploring their benefits, and helping you find the perfect one to elevate your game to the next level. Number 5. KONLLEN Carbon Fiber Pool Cue Extension. Introducing the KONLLEN Carbon Fiber Cue Extension. This extension is designed to enhance your billiards experience. It's a must-have for any pool enthusiast. Crafted from high-strength carbon fiber, it's incredibly lightweight at just 6.8 ounces. This material ensures excellent durability, impact resistance, and wear resistance, promising long-term use without deformation. The cue extension features a retractable design, with an adjustable length from 8.9 to 13 inches. This allows you to customize the length to meet your needs, helping you achieve precise control and professional-level extension effects. It comes equipped with 3 bumpers, making it perfectly compatible with various brands of billiard cues. This offers you convenience and flexibility, no matter what cue brand you prefer. The bullet interface design ensures a close and stable connection, reducing any shaking. The 360 degrees smooth rotation structure provides a smooth and unstuck rod, improving shot stability and control. Its compact structure is easily disassembled and stored. The portable design allows it to fit in your cue case or backpack, making it perfect for travel, competitions, or home entertainment. Take it with you anywhere. What we like. This extension's carbon fiber build ensures durability and a lightweight feel. Its adjustable length caters to various playing styles and needs. If you're looking for a versatile extension that works with different cues and enhances your control, you should consider this one. What people say. The extension fits perfectly and is very easy to install. The extension is well made and provides a solid feel. It extends the cue far enough to reach the 9 ball on the break. Number 4. VGEBY Billiard Cue Extender, Blue. This extender features a frosted design, providing a super comfortable feel. It's suitable for all brands, making it a versatile addition to your billiard equipment. The pool cue accessories ensure a tight and secure hold on your cue. It's easy to lock and unlock, and it's super light yet strong, enhancing your game. Made with high-quality aluminum alloy and rubber, this extension is built to last. The engineering synthetic metal ensures it's both light and strong. This pool cue extension is quick and easy to use. Simply slide it onto the tip of the butt, and you're ready to go. It's that simple. We are confident in this product. If you're not satisfied, you can return it within 180 days for a full refund. Contact us with any questions. What we like. This extension features an elegant design with a comfortable feel. The tight fixation ensures your cue is held securely. If you are looking for a simple and easy-to-use extension with a comfortable feel, this is a great choice. What people say. The extension fits snugly and securely on my cue. The extension is well made and the craftsmanship is evident. It provides the extra reach I need for those difficult shots. Number 3. Keenso Snooker Pool Cue Extension. This extension cue undergoes an anodic oxidation process, ensuring it doesn't fade and remains wear-resistant. The black color is maintained, providing a sleek look. It's designed to last, offering both style and functionality. Crafted from high-quality aluminum, this cue extension is built to last. The material is hard and durable, ensuring a long service life. You can rely on it for consistent performance. The design is smooth and comfortable to the touch, making it practical for various clubs. The concave design adds to its practicality. This thoughtful design enhances your overall experience. Installation is simple and quick, with no complicated steps required. Its small size makes it easy to handle and use. It's designed to meet your needs efficiently. Featuring a 3/8 teeth specification, this extension can also adjust the cue's weight. The 2-ounce weight is designed to meet your needs. It's the perfect addition to your snooker setup. What we like. This extension is made of wear-resistant aluminum material. Its scientific design ensures a comfortable feel and practicality. If you like a durable and easy to install extension, you should consider this one. What people say. The extension fits snugly and securely on my cue. The extension is well made and the threads are precise. It provides a solid feel and doesn't feel loose or wobbly when in use. Number 2. Balance Rite BRF 18 Pool Cue Extension System. This is the Balance Rite BRF 18 forward-weighted pool cue extension system. It's designed to enhance your pool game. This innovative system is a game changer. The BRF 18 readjusts the natural forward weight of the cue. This allows for a perfectly balanced and natural stroke. You'll feel the difference immediately. It features a 5/16 by 18 joint, ensuring a secure fit. The extension is 3.75 inches long and weighs 2 ounces. It's a compact yet powerful addition to your cue. With the BRF 18, you can eliminate the need for a bridge or an oversized shaft. It fits seamlessly between your cue butt and shaft. It's all you need. The Balance Rite BRF 18 is available in 6 different joint styles. This ensures compatibility with a wide range of cues. Get yours today. What we like. This extension readjusts the natural forward weight of the cue for a perfectly balanced stroke. It eliminates the need for a bridge or oversized shaft. If you have a need for a balanced stroke, you should consider this one. What people say. The extension is easy to install and remove. It fits perfectly and extends the cue nicely. The extension is well made and provides a solid feel. Number 1. Pool Cue Extension for Snooker and Billiards. This extension is designed for snooker and billiards enthusiasts. It helps you to extend your cue, making those difficult shots easier to achieve. Made of plastic with a rubber cover, this extension is built to last. The design ensures a comfortable grip and reliable performance during your game. The extension offers scalable adjustment, extending up to 17 inches. When not in use, it collapses to 12 inches, making it easy to store in your cue pocket. The extension opening is tight, ensuring a solid grip on your cue. This feature provides stability and control, allowing you to focus on your shot. This extension fits all cue brands and offers a comfortable feel. It's quick and easy to use, enhancing your game instantly. What we like. This extension is made of plastic material with a rubber cover. It can extend up to 17 inches. If you like a comfortable feel and easy to use extension, you should consider this one. What people say. This fits all my cues and works good. Very easy to use. Easy to use, works on all my sticks. Works great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.